What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not using the action camera which I can mount on my helmet, but I've got the M50 set up. We're going to attempt to use this for an ATV ride, so we'll see how that goes. And this is a special one for the first 800 subscribers as a thank you for you guys for following along. We're gonna go check out the ATV trails. Out of the walking chainsaw. Well, wouldn't you know it, I turned the corner and there's another branch here, so this chainsaw is really getting a workout. I haven't been on these trails too often, so there's a lot more down stuff out here to clean up. Definitely more of a workout with this chainsaw here. With all these down branches over the last fall. That opened up that trail a little bit more. The previous people just pulled it off to the side a little. Stopped for a few minutes, cleaned up. It looks good. Let's hit some trails. another branch down. Just waiting to catch somebody. I'll just cut it out of the way real quick. It's about 50 degrees or so. We're still waiting for snow, but you can see the pond is frozen. Winter's, I guess, not quite started yet. Hope we get some snow, get some good snow videos this year. So, let's see what else is out there. Alright guys, well that's about it for this ride. It's getting pretty dark out here. Thanks again to the first 800 subscribers. All because of you guys, we've made it to 800. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Let's push 900. Thanks again for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. More ATV content for you guys this year. Can't wait to share it all with you. Got a lot planned, and see you in the next video.